In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Ton from Tonkeeper to Binance. And if you have Ton on your Tonkeeper wallet and you love to send it to your Binance, what you need to do, I'm going to show you what you need to do. This video is really for educational purpose only. So go to your Tonkeeper. So click on this send. Go to your Binance. Open your Binance. Click on this search option. Come on here, type in Ton. So I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. So once this has opened up, what you need to do, click on add. Now click on the first option. Now once you click on it, you're going to be able to see the open network. So once you tap on that open network, you're going to be able to get your wallet address. So you want to send Ton, or you want to transfer Ton from a Tonkeeper to your Binance. So once you have copied your Binance wallet address, you need to go back to the Tonkeeper, paste the address here, enter the amount you want to send, and enter the required comments. Once you're done, click on the continue. Everything is going to go through well for you. So this is how you can be able to send or transfer Ton from a Tonkeeper to Binance. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.